Okay, we are going to take a look at the Excel Final Ice Cream spreadsheet so you guys all have a good idea of how to do this. Okay, we are going to focus on the instructions, go back up to the top here, that really look at the different formulas. I want to make sure you guys are okay doing these. Okay, cost of eggs, we're going to start here. Always start a formula with an equal sign. F of x is great for formulas. Just type in and kind of follow it. The help in Excel is awesome. If you don't know how to do something, use help. We're going to do equals number of eggs, and we need to multiply it by the cost of an individual egg. So on the bottom of your spreadsheet, and I don't think you can see it in this view, there's an ingredients tab. Eggs are 10 cents each. So I'm going to grab that from that spreadsheet beside it. Notice it puts ingredients, exclamation mark, because ingredients is the name of the tab, and B4 is the cell, and I'm going to hit enter, and it's going to drop us right back. Kind of cool. By the way, I'm on a Mac, and I'm using Mac Office, so it might look a little bit different to yours, but same idea. Okay, what's strange is if we are going to use the series fill, meaning we're going to take this formula and drag it down, watch what happens. It says go to cell B5 under ingredients, but if I go to ingredients and check B5, that's for cream. We always want it to be eggs. So how do we do that? I'm going to go back to this formula, and this has a cool thing called an absolute cell reference, and we put a dollar sign in there. Why we use a dollar sign, I don't know, but that is your locking mechanism. So we are locking B4. Basically, I want this to change, but I always wanted to use the eggs cost from cell B4. Hope that makes sense. So now if I put my cursor at the very bottom right of that one cell with the formula I like, make a little cross or a little plus sign, drag down. Now look at our formula. We're always using B4. Cool, huh? Okay, cream equals cups of cream times, fast fingers, times, I'm going to go down to my other worksheet ingredients, cream, 8 cents. Press enter. It's going to drop us back. We always want to use 5, locking it in with my locker. Go back, grab the formula, little, done. So easy. Sugar, same way, equals 2 cups of sugar times, times, go to ingredients, sugar is 12 cents, enter. See? We're going to lock B6. I always want to use B6. I'm going to put my dollar sign, I'm locking it in, boom, drag. Total cost is a really easy formula. Don't confuse yourself when it just wants to do total cost. Okay, so total cost is cost of eggs plus, we're just using it as a calculator, cost of cream plus cost of sugar plus other costs. Enter. Just a calculator, plus, plus, plus. Little cross there, drag it down, done. I'm going to do better formatting on this, and I like it. Make it currency. Okay. Profit is super simple. We sell it for $2. It costs us 84 cents. The formula is $2. Don't get too confusing. Minus 84 cents. We're going to make $1.16 on this. Cool. Drag it down. Maybe. Okay, one of the instructions is to sort column K or profit column by largest to smallest. So I have it selected, just my values. I'm going to go data sort on my Mac. PCs are about the same. Expand, basically it means everything stay together. Don't lose your reference. Sort. I don't want to do column A, right? Column K is our profit. Largest to smallest. Okay, flip, done. I didn't pay attention to these guys though. I'm just going to get rid of them. You guys have to format them. Okay, how do you do an average? Oh, so easy. Put my cell here. I want the average of eggs. Old school formula. Average is our formula. If I put parentheses and then I can drag, close my parentheses, you can see here's my formula up here. B2 to B15, I want the average. Super simple. But even simpler, as many of you know, click in here. On mine, I can go formulas, or I can just hit this guy right here, average, enter, does it for you. Drag it across, right? Minimum's the same way. I want the minimum. I can use my little auto sum here, go to formulas, minimum. I don't have to do anything, so easy, right? Okay. Hopefully you guys have that figured out. Alright, average, minimum, maximum, sum. If I want to find the sum, same thing, sum. Boom, done. Okay, so that's average, minimum, maximum. I am going to be checking, make sure you guys have formulas. Formulas are critical for me. I don't care if you choose the right color green or the right color red. Formulas are formulas, so get them right. Okay, one of the things it asks you to do is conditional formatting. I'm not going to show you how to do it because I want you to figure it out. I want you to use your help or your book, kind of that's what it's for, right? And type in conditional formatting. What? It's in the help? I can't believe it. Okay, so use your help. Home, format, conditional formatting. Pretty easy. Okay, so hopefully you guys can figure that out. I'm going to get rid of my minimum, average, and stuff. I'm going to show you how to do, this chart. Okay, so as you go through here, you guys can create headers. Actually, don't use headers if you listen to this. Headers are silly and they screw everything up. Create a chart showing cost versus profit. How do you do that? Cost versus profit. Here's our cost, here's our profit. So we want cost versus profit. We also need to know what it's for. Well, it's for these flavors. So here's what we're going to do. Make it nice and simple. Start with price. I'm going to highlight that, and I'm going to use Command on my Mac. You guys are probably Control, right? Lets you select anything you want. So I'm going to go price. Hold down my Command or your Control. Drag again. Those two are going to be compared, but I also need to know what my flavors are, so I'm going to highlight those. So I have my flavors, cost versus profit. This is pretty cool. Check it out. Charts, column chart. Ooh, bring this down here. I must have not grabbed something correctly, so I'm going to do that again, but it's good practice anyhow. Okay, so highlight, highlight. Oh, I think I got everything. See? Highlight. Nope, see, I'm on a very small laptop if you guys care. I need to get rid of this. Okay, let me try this again. At least you'll know how to do it. Grab. Okay. There we go. Make it really a little bit bigger here so you guys can see it. Okay, so I just make sure you're grabbing the headers, right? Profit, price, and ice cream type. That's why I wasn't getting good values the first time. I didn't know what to put in here. So you can see price versus profit in my bar chart. Price versus profit. And here's our label headers, okay? Don't make it harder than it is. Just see what else. Format to fit on a single page. Simple, so you know that's going to be, well, layout. layout. Okay, so just make sure it's on a single page. Here's mine right here, fit to 1:1. Okay, might be different on your PC. Use your help. Okay, I'm going to wrap this up. Hopefully it gave you a good idea of how to do this. If you have any questions, give me a shout. All right, good luck on your final, everyone.